Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our next video announcement. Module 3 is opening tomorrow. It's hard to believe we're almost a third of the way through our course. It does go fast in the summer, as you've now found out. Once again, in this upcoming module, there will be 2 discussion boards for you to work on, so just please be aware of that. As you know, in our module that's currently in progress, you're looking at the undergraduate catalog, taking a quiz on undergraduate catalog information, and there is actually one change I made, and that should be fairly obvious. We have switched colleges from the College of Social Science and Public Admin to the College of Arts and Sciences, and so I updated that question in the quiz, as well as one other that talks about credit. So you'll see that as you take the quiz. You will be receiving 1 point regardless of what answer you put on that question, so that it will still kind of remain fair as we go through that transition. So our program has recently moved into the College of Arts and Sciences, so the quiz does now reflect that. Thank you for the student who emailed me about that. As well, in this module 2, we're still asking that you are interviewing for, or finding the time to interview for, your IDP. Remember, those should be scheduled by the time the IDP is due, which is the end of module 3, the rough draft. You don't have to have the interviews finished, but you should at least have them scheduled so we know kind of what to expect on those. And then discussion board on how you learn, or how you use your time based on the textbook that we've been reading. So that's in module 2. Module 3 that opens tomorrow, as I said, there will be 2 different discussion boards. The first one will be on submitting one of the goals from your IDP, one of the SMART goals, which are also called learning outcomes. Excuse me. So the other students can look at those and kind of give you input on how they could be made more SMART. Remember, SMART is an acronym. We talk about specific, measurable, achievable, repeatable, and time-bound. So making sure that all of those qualifications for a SMART goal are met in the discussion board. And then as well, there's the discussion board over the chapter that we'll read over emotional intelligences, and making sure you understand how that's different than maybe intelligence quotient, IQ. We all have emotional intelligence as well, and it's kind of important for us to recognize that and know how to use that. In addition, please use the link in Module 3 to schedule an appointment with your advisor, Alexis Kenyon. She'll be conducting those starting in Module 4 and 5, and you need to have that finished by Module 5, and so you'll see times where you can sign up to meet with her either over the phone, in a Google chat, or face-to-face to go over the first draft of your IDP. I'll be the one grading that, but she will definitely have lots of great input and advice on the courses that you're justifying, and the kinds of goals you're setting in those situations. So make sure you find time to do that in Module 3 as that opens. And then by the end of Module 3, you will be submitting your rough draft IDP along with the most recent version of your academic advisement report. That needs to be submitted by the end of Module 3, so that by Module 4, when the interviews start, Alexis will have all of those documents digitally available as you go through the interview process. So that's kind of a brief introduction to what we're going to be doing in the upcoming module. If you have questions, please contact me by email or phone, and thank you for your work so far. I've been very interested in the discussions we've been having over kind of making sure we're using the most of our time, and how we have different learning styles. So keep those coming, and look forward to Module 3 as that opens tomorrow. So hope you have a great rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you all online. Thank you.